Mini RC car is not just a toy for children. The enthusiasts are quite diverse, from all walks of life. This is exactly what happened in Linggo-Sari, Pekalongan Regency, Central Java with RC Adventure, where people gather and share excitement. The shape and type of the RC car varies. There are jeeps to trucks designed to play off-road. The players try to compete and become the most skilled at controlling the car using the remote control, so it doesn't overturn easily. Remember, once your vehicle is overturned, you cannot use your hand to hold or help your vehicle back on track. You must only use your remote control. Even though the weather in Linggo-Sari is rainy, this does not prevent this group from congregating and competing with each other. The track is just like any off-road track, with various obstacles such as rocks, puddles, bridges, and steep inclines to descend. The excitement stems from all the actions involving trying to overcome the obstacles. According to civic officials from RC Pekalongan, 106 participants from Jogja and Central Java joined the event.
Ya, kita ini kan tujuannya untuk ya penyaluran hobi, Mas. Satu hobi, satu remote. Jadi kita berkumpul dalam satu wadah, yaitu RC, dunia RC. Jadi kita untuk RC Adventure dan komunitasnya mencakup DIY dan Jateng. Ini menariknya, Mas. Menariknya RC ini adalah kita senang-senang sambil berwisata. Kita biasanya mengadakan ini di tempat-tempat wisata.
One of the appeals is the off-road sensation. In this case, it is definitely a matter of technique and speeding up while trying to overcome the obstacle. Meanwhile, Iwan, a participant from Salatiga, said that he enjoys RC cars as a hobby for a decade.
Itu dulunya kan coba-coba pas di Surabaya, terus pindah ke Bogor, ketagihan. Ya udah di sini banyak teman, udah langsung ngikutin terus. Nah, dari mau off-road beneran nggak sanggup, jadi ya ke RC. Aslinya ada tantangan sambil olahraga lah, berpetualangan itu.
Jalan terus, Mas.
Ya, enaknya itu.
RC Adventure is more than just a racing event, but also a place where RC enthusiasts gather and exchange tips and tricks about off-road and maintaining remote control cars.